Okay, now I want to prove the other related assertion. The other related assertion, whoops, 2 says, and this is going to be very important later, if the Liminf is equal to the Limsup, which we know they always exist. So the Liminf is equal to the Limsup, and they're both equal to L, let's say. Then the limit exists is equal to n is equal to L. Okay, and the idea is that the UK sequence that defines Liminf, this is going to be increasing. The VK sequence that defines Limsup, this is going to be decreasing. They're coming together, and we're basically going to say the AK are in between both of those. And so as they come together by the squeeze theorem, this means AK is going to approach the same thing. Okay, so the proof is the following: UK. So by definition, I'm going to use a different color here. By definition, oh, come on. See, I don't know what's going on. By definition, UK minus 1 is equal to the infimum of the set AL, where L is greater than K minus 1. Okay, now the element AK in the sequence is in this set because K is greater than K minus 1. This is a lower bound, so this is going to be less than or equal to AK. And this is going to be less than or equal to VK minus 1, which is the supremum. Actually, let me write this the other way. This is going to be less than or equal to the supremum of AL, where L is greater than K minus 1, and this is equal to VK minus 1. Okay, now I hope everyone's convinced that if the limit of UK is equal to L and the limit of VK is equal to L, then the limit of UK minus 1 and the limit of VK minus 1 is going to be equal to L. Limit UK minus 1 equals limit VK. I need to restart my computer. This is driving me crazy. I'm writing on the screen and it's not showing up. And this is equal to L. So by the squeeze theorem, limit AK is equal to L. Okay, there it is. Probably should watch this video in like 1.5 speed because I'm having to go very slowly because my thing's not writing right. Anyways, okay, so those are some of the important theorems about Liminfs and Limsups. I don't know if I'll be able to make it today, but I will make another video showing that if talking about Cauchy sequences and then showing different properties about Cauchy sequences. And now I'm done.